Well, good afternoon. It's Megan, and I'm going to take some time to discuss how I use the tool OneNote online of the 360. So I went ahead and logged in just into my Purdue account that went with everything else, and I went over here and just made some sections. And to do that, you just go down here where it says section, hit, put a title in, then come over here and you put different pages within that section just so you can have it very organized for yourself. But for the time I have, I'm going to go ahead back to a folder I already have made, and it's for this class course theme. So as of now, you know that I have picked annual management. So in this folder, I just discuss my audience for this task and like my passion and why I chose this theme, I guess. And then down here, I have the lesson plans of what, as of right now, I think are important for me as a teacher to cover in this topic, some of my goals as a teacher. And I know as a student, I was always the kid that needed to see and be able to do to truly grasp the concept. So I think it'd be neat to have 4 days of lecture a week, and then one day, the end of the week or the beginning of the week or in the middle of the week, have a lab that kind of goes hand in hand with the lecture that we have been doing within the class, and kind of have like an end of the week kind of a deal to kind of sum that up. Then I went over here and have another folder just of a little article of biosecurity from the Pork Checkoff that I think is super, super educational and beneficial for students to be able to read and have that ability to put into our notes. And that's one thing I have to appreciate about this OneNote tool is when you take a pencil and notebook, you have to be the one writing out everything. And on this, you have the access of online. You can put anything and everything in here. I think that is really neat that we can put articles, we can put graphs, we can put um, pretty much anything at our fingertips we can put in here, and I think that is neat. So I'm going to take a moment and discuss how I did that. So I'm going to go over here, just the Purdue Blackboard. You're going to hit this little box up here. It's the OneNote clip, and it's going to ask you if you want the full page, just the article, or bookmark it. And then it's going to down here, and it's going to have all your folders within your notes. And I'm going to just go ahead and click that, and then if you're done, you're going to just hit the clipping, and then it'd be there. But I'm not going to do that because I don't really need this in my folder. So that's that. So let's go back. And then I also did that with this. I have a little video of swine production on a large scale. And then I also just clipped in the Indiana standards because I think it's important for us teachers to have something to go back on to make sure that we're hitting all the ideas and steps that need to be brought up into our classroom. So that's that folder. And now I'm going to show you my Sigma Alpha folder. So here's just a little bit about Sigma Alpha and what they are and what it means to be in Sigma Alpha. There's a little history about Sigma Alpha, the colors, the mascot, the flower, and all that good stuff. Here's some interviews that just to tell me when they are and how to dress. And then on this one, there's some important dates of some fun activities to begin the Sigma Alpha. And then in the last folder, I just have some ideas about fundraising and what some good things to do throughout the year of being in Sigma Alpha. So that is a little bit about using the online OneNote tool. I hope it helped, and yeah, thank you.